Here also, this is a Docker based file container. Check the Jenkins. Is like for this project, you need to give your Docker credentials in that. I'll just show you one.
Okay.
So I create a new item. Just copy the another one also I've sent you.
Okay.
Try forking that project to your GitHub account. Okay. If you try to
Okay.
edit it the same way, it will not work because it needs to have a pull request again. Okay, for the changes.
Okay.
So try to fork that project and then start working. I mean,
Okay.
like then edit it.
Okay.
Just a freestyle for that. Try to configure this job. Source code management will give Git URL. Give your Docker Hub your credentials over here.
Okay.
You know how to give your Docker Hub credentials, right?
We're using the credentials section,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Try building it, but this will fail. But you need to check couple of times. You know what issue is that?
Okay.
Okay, so this is like this has got failed. The only thing is, if it is getting failed, don't worry about that failure. Okay, just just be thinking like where you need to change. This is like fork. Okay, once you try to fork here,
Okay.
then you can do the changes. If you do a direct changes, editing it, it will ask you for a pull request. And like the other person who has done this project has to accept the changes. Okay, just go to this Docker
Okay.
file and then start building it. Okay, it's already given here, the credentials and everything. Check for another thing. So this is another Cucumber framework URL. It's like you can deploy this into Tomcat or JBoss.
Okay.
Just make a note of all this.
Okay.
Another URL. Send you another URL today.
Okay.
This is a pipeline URL, the last one. This is
Okay.
also Docker based. You
Okay.
see, you're able to see this Jenkins build commands over here. To check this, you have an shell commands over here. Okay, I'll just show
Okay.
you. You take a new item, it's like build, freestyle. Okay, let's copy. Everything is given in the GitHub source only. Only thing is we need
Okay.
to check. Just go to build, choose execute shell.
Okay.
You have already the shell commands given here. I mean, like what it has to do. Like it has to
Okay.
MVN install. It has to install the MVN. Then it has to do with an integration testing. Then it has to
No-
clean verify the integration testing. That is the first one. I'll just
Okay.
try doing this. I'll just save it. Back to dashboard. New item. Just to like another thing is like deploy. I'll just give a command. Source code get. Let's copy this again. Go to build. Then I choose execute shell. You have for the second one from here you need to take until they start.
Okay. Okay.
Just paste it, then just do it save. The last one. Just choose release. You can name it anything, job 1, job 2, job 3 or anything. I just named it like
Okay.
build
Yep.
and just copy the same URL, go to source code management, choose git, go to build. This is like you have the last execution of shell from here, choose till here till here. If you see here, you have an IP, HTTPS server hyphen IP. Okay, this is given different. I'm like, we need to change here. Okay, over
Okay.
here also. It's like a bit tricky, everyone keeps their own thing. We need to change it. Now, this is actually not work, we're just showing you. Later on, you can work on this. What I'll do is go to this build, configure it again, go to post build action, choose another project, what I've done, deploy, save it, back to dashboard, go to deploy, configure it, go to post build action, build other project. Last thing we given is release, save it. We have installed a plugin called build plugin, if you remember.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. The build plugin, where it works is you have this plus option, right? You need to click on this plus option. You have this like
Okay.
build plugin pipeline view.
Okay.
You can give like it's a Docker file. It's a Docker project, so we'll just give it Docker pipeline.
Okay.
Okay. It will have a good user interface. It will ask like select your initial job. Like first build is our initial job, so I'll just choose that. Number of builds, I'll choose 3 because we have 3 doing it. 3 jobs.
Okay.
That's it. I'll just apply, save. You'll have a interface. Just run your project. So this is how the pipeline output will be looking out.
Okay.
I'll just go to the console output to just check. You can actually give your email ID also. I'm like the email notification also. I've not shown you
Okay.
that because if any job is trying to fail, it will automatically send you the complete report.
Okay. So, where should we configure that?
I'll just show you it.
Okay.
Deploy. Have this email notification. Just give
Okay.
your email, whatever email you have given. Okay, you have two options like send email if unstable build. Just given that, just go to this Docker pipeline. Like this is success. Like this is triggering to this.
So it won't auto trigger. We have to
It will
manually trigger
trigger
it.
because I just configured the for that email, right? It just stopped triggering it.
Oh,
I've triggered, I've just configured for the email notification, right? So it just stopped it because I was in a configure mode.
oh.
The second one is already started hitting it. Just got failed. You need to check here why it's got failed. Okay, just send me an email. We'll check the email, what email it's got. Send me a two email. One is spelled failed in Jenkins one.
Okay.
So this is how you get a report.
Okay.
Whatever it is showing in the console output, it should send us the same way. Again, sending the second bell. Okay. So building Docker container. So we have a user address for local system administrator endpoints. We'll expect the privacy for it. Okay, it is actually stopping the credentials of the Docker.
Okay.
We need to check them, like we need to give our Docker credentials over there. It is like a mine, working a mine over here. I mean, you need to check couple of times. But every time you do, make sure you fork that project, okay?
Sure.
Go check here because check with different Docker credentials, like trying to give up the credentials over there. You have Docker build credentials. Then you have like build publish Docker image. I'm like we are not doing a Docker image. build, publish, a Docker build and publish, execute Docker command. What we have pull Docker image. We're not pulling any Docker image also. What we're doing is we're trying to build an image. Okay, try giving a credentials. Let's check with the credentials. It takes or not. Server credentials. Still the credentials are not taking it. Just this is a deployment. Okay. Another thing is we don't have this WinFly. Let's check this
Okay.
WinFly. We don't have a WinFly with us. Like we have not installed WinFly
Okay.
for deployment. So like this is a deployment. Okay. If you can see this, this is a deployment. That is saying the second one. Provisioning deployment and target WinFly hyphen Springboard sample. It's a WAR project, but we don't have WinFly installed in us. Either we have a Tomcat, either we can give a Tomcat also. Even JBoss is also not there. What you can do is you can try installing a Tomcat 7. Okay,
Okay.
because most of the time we use Tomcat. Normally we few companies use JBoss also. Then, but mostly we use Apache Tomcat only. So try using that. Try to give a credentials over here. Same for Tomcat also same credentials. I mean like how we gave for like Docker, same credentials we need to give for Tomcat also.
Okay.
I'll try to edit this and send you again.
Okay.
Ganesh, you have any doubts on this?
No, no, I don't have doubts. I will try this.
Yeah. See, if you fail multiple times also, that shouldn't be a problem. The only thing is you need to have a hands-on practice on this. So this is something like the developers write them and they write with their own credentials and with their own addresses, IP addresses sometimes. So, suddenly we try to pull their GitHub code and we try to build it. Sometimes it don't work. When we don't work, we need to check with the Jenkins file or with the other files in that.
Okay.
There are a few also. Let me check one sec. Did I send you this pipeline? Life cycle of pipeline?
No.
No, no, you didn't send this.
I just forget it. Can you send me a mail ID? This chat box? I'll send you this URLs also. complete URLs, you have the downside. You have, I'm like, is it a freestyle? I've written everything. It will have a reference for you. But this is like, you need to use a ambient command.
Yeah. I send my mail ID
Yeah,
chat box.
yeah, got it. I've sent it, like, finish, I've sent it, see.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
I only try to acquire only few GitHub URLs. I have a couple of more, but I'm not sure, where it is. Whether you want to build any job, you want to share screen,
Give me a minute.
yeah.
Which one I can
I'll do one
choose?
thing. I'll just stop my screen. Try sharing your screen.
Okay.
I'll just tell you. Choose that microservices one.
Okay. The first one, right?
Yeah, microservices one.
So first thing is I should fork, right?
Yeah. First fork it. Fork it.
Okay. Now
It will be
I
okay.
can.
Yeah, okay. Just go to your Jenkins account.
Okay. I just got into it.
Just try to just delete those jobs. Just delete those jobs.
Everything is just running.
If it is taking your time, then leave it.
No, I just started a new item and it is taking time.
Okay. If it is already chosen, then it's okay.
Okay. So this is
Choose it like first is
microservice.
customer service.
Customer
No,
service.
choose at
Okay.
first customer service because we have four services, right?
This one, right?
Yeah.
Freestyle.
Yeah, freestyle only.
If
Everything is
I
freestyle. choose like customer service, then you have a product service, right? Like, choose like that. Don't give microservices.
Oh, in name, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, it is taking time. Why it is taking time?
Customer, wait, this taking time means response. I think about.
Ah,
Okay,
It
my
will be a
system
bit
response is
lag.
slow.
okay.
Maybe while sharing it is taking time.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
when I'm working, it I don't have issue.
Okay, okay.
Okay. That is, it is not fast like you. The reason you are exceed that CPU, this process speed.
Okay, I got into
Okay. Go
this.
to this source code
So
management.
what's called? I have to ping my own or the
Give your own
work one.
URL.
Okay,
Choose HTTPS, not SSH. Okay.
okay, okay.
Go to your this Docker Hub.
Docker Hub. Take time. Docker Hub. Docker ID. What did I mention? What is this? Password. I totally forgot.
If you forgot, just try to click on that forgot Docker password or ID. I think it'll just be in a minute.
Problem here is I'm using nowadays more. I'm forgetting my own password.
That we can use a single password like Red Hat 123, a common thing because we keep on using number of services, right?
Yes, yes, I got it. 1 second. Okay. Okay, Docker. Where is the Docker password? Where is the Docker? Oh, I can do it here itself. Okay.
Create a repository over there. Give that repository any name.
Any name, right?
Yeah.
I'm also doing side by side. Okay.
Yeah. Sure, Ganesh. It's a public
Okay.
only. Just try
Okay.
to. You have given the GitHub. It is already given. You have already connected to GitHub.
Oh,
Just try to.
but what it is telling like a please relink. No need, right? How do I verify
Updated
whether it is
Docker
in
Hub.
correct?
One sec. It must be a small letters. The repository.
Okay.
You scroll down. You have create. Leave that for now because
Yes.
I'm not going to do anything. Create.
Just create, right?
Yeah. I've sent you
Okay,
a
sir.
command. The chat. Can you please check this?
No, it is telling like a authentication credentials were not provided. What is that meaning?
Try to give a like microservices one or two, like do anything in the credentials name. Yeah, just scroll
What is that?
down. There's nothing to do with that.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
It is already do a connect. It is not connected. Just click on that.
no,
Just click
no.
on that. Scroll down. Just click on that GitHub because if you're not doing a big bucket, right? Click on that connect.
Yes.
It'll ask for the authentication. Authenticate Docker.
Oh, this one is
This is
GitHub.
your GitHub
Oh,
password.
too many more. Okay, now it is connected.
That is connected. Just check with your. No, don't do like that.
Oh,
Just click on the Docker Hub directly. You have the Docker Hub, right? Yeah, just click on
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Just try to create a repository.
Where is that? Okay.
Microsoft.
It is
Got
already
connected.
connected. Then how it is? No, it shows like connected earlier, but now it is not connected.
You have,
Okay, what is this? Yeah. Okay, now it is connected.
yeah, okay.
Let me see. Okay, it is connected now.
Yeah, it is connected. It is connected. You can see down, right?
Yeah.
Just
Now
scroll
I
down,
can see.
which is connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
So
have
that
created
is okay. I've sent you a message in the chat box. Can you check that?
1 second.
Can you open once open? I'll just tell you.
The last one.
Scroll down. Yeah, last one, the complete last. Ganesh, can you see that message?
Okay.
Yeah, I can see that.
See, CD account service is common. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, before that, I have one quick doubt.
Yeah, tell
The
me.
Docker repository name and GitHub repository name should be same or can be anything?
Which one?
Docker repository name
Uh-huh.
and the GitHub connected GitHub name should
Anything,
be
anything.
same or
That is not a
anything.
problem. Anything that can be.
That is yeah, okay.
It is
Thank you.
not like you need to have the same name.
Yeah, okay.
So
This is
these
like
three commands I
account
have to copy.
service. Yes, that is
Okay.
in the execution of shell. You have
Okay.
four accounts. If you can open your GitHub once, I'll tell you. Open your GitHub also at the same time. See, first is like account service, right? When you create a
Okay.
first freestyle project, you give in the
Okay.
execution of shell cd account hyphen service. Okay. Then for the
Okay.
second job, give it like cd customer hyphen service. For the third one,
Okay.
you give cd, just change the name like discover hyphen service. And for fourth one, you give cd gateway hyphen service. Okay. Total four jobs
Okay.
and with four different names. First one is like I've sent you an account service. Then you change the names like customer service, discover
Okay.
service. Okay. MBN clean
I got
install
it.
is common. Okay. Docker build hyphen T. Okay. And
Okay.
Praveen
And
Nokia is
then
there, right? That is my Docker Hub account.
so I should replace with my Docker account and then the Docker image name.
See,
Possible.
Praveen Nokia is my Docker Hub account. Okay. My
Okay.
Okay.
name that you rename with your name. Okay. Your Docker Hub name.
Okay.
Okay.
And micro hyphen
Okay.
Docker is like my Docker Hub. I've just created a repository. Like you have created a repository, right?
Yeah,
Microservice.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You need
Yeah.
to give that name, microservice, and space dot.
Okay.
Okay. And the same way, sudo Docker push your GitHub, your Docker Hub account, and then your
Okay.
what you have created microservices, right? I mean, like
Okay.
the repository you have created in Docker Hub, right? The name and
Okay.
space dot.
Okay.
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 Once you're
Let
done with
me
this,
try.
for the second, third, and fourth, I'm like only thing you need to change is account hyphen service, like customer hyphen
It's
service
like
or gateway hyphen
okay.
service.
CD. Okay.
Okay. CD is common.
Okay.
Everything is like same.
Okay. Let me try now.
Okay, let me
So
try.
in execute shell I have to do right
Yes, in
or
execute shell only.
okay.
So we need to create 4 jobs.
Yeah, four jobs.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And what is it you have given in this Docker? Yeah, only
Microservice.
microservices. Do one thing, just copy the entire thing, no?
Okay. Yeah.
Just over there, you can just no. Just replace. It's not coming.
It's not coming properly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, leave it.
And
We can check it some time. And sudo
and
docker
then
push. Just copy till there, and then you can paste your one. Just not that. Yeah, go to your Docker hub. Just copy that space. No, no, not there.
Okay, okay, I got it. It should be in the
Yeah,
same line.
same line. Yes, same line. Space. Yeah, apply same. Do with all the four jobs.
Okay. One second. I will change this one to.
You can keep it as like first name is like yeah, customer service, account service, or whatever name you have.
Yeah. Yes.
What is that first one? Yeah, the first one is account service only.
Okay. Customer service. Gateway service. So I should complete till gateway, right? Or zip service also.
So first one is gateway service.
No.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
So there are five more services there.
No, no, no. Only
So
four services.
only four.
Yeah, four services.
One more is there. Zipkin also there.
No, no, no.
Should
That's okay.
I?
That's
Okay,
okay.
okay. So, okay, I am done with the 4.
Okay, just go to that plus. Just click on that. Yeah, give a microservices over there name. Just click OK.
So I don't need to change the display bill 4.
Yeah, change for number of bills.
Just 3 and 5 only it is there.
Okay, give it 5. That's okay.
So that it will
Yeah,
pick the account service. Okay.
yeah, it is picked up account service. Just click OK.
So
Just
click
click
run,
run.
right?
Yeah, it will show you it.
Oh, I started with 2. First one is failed.
Just go to this console output.
MEN not found. Is there only 1 second? How come it is not there? Is there? Do I need to mention anywhere else?
Go to manage Jenkins,
Yeah, it is there.
global tool configuration.
1 second. Okay, how?
Yeah, that only.
1 second. 1 second. No, it is not allowing me.
Okay, okay.
It is
Yeah, fourth one. And
yeah,
that you have this Maven.
that's page is hung. Okay, this is going fine. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you already given there.
So it is there. Then why it is not picking it? Any plugins?
You installed all. This is a new Jenkins, right? You have installed.
Yes, yes. These are new Jenkins only.
Okay, check with the plugins, Maven plugins
1 second.
available. Maven release plugin,
Yeah. Okay.
Maven repository, schedule cleanup. Mm, no need, just install that today.
Okay. Those two I have installed. Okay. So I can restart or I can go back to the page.
Okay. Just restart the Jenkins manually from your terminal. Just log out from there.
It's taking too much time. Okay.
Or else do like systemctl Jenkins restart.
No, it is restarted.
It's done. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's working.
Okay. Now why is that not service? Shall I run it now or separately I should run?
Try to run. From there only you have that option, green color option. Beside this console output, you have the green color. Yeah. Just try to do that. Retry. Click on that console output. Click on that. Check this console output. Click on that today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Click on that.
Account for
It
it
is
is
not
telling
allowing you.
MVN not for.
MDN is not found.
Can I run separately and try see what is
Yeah,
happening?
yeah, sure, you can use that. Ganesh, you got it? Beside this console output, you have the green color. Yeah. Just try to do that. Retry. Click on that console output. Click on that. Check this console output. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that. Click on that. Check this console output. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that.
Okay, now I manage the permission.
Yeah, I'm also checking. I'm getting the same error.
Same MVN error.
Same MVN error.
Same error. I ran the Indus separately also, it is getting the same error.
Okay, let
So
me
I'm
check with
checking
my
the flow.
system. Just give me a sec. I'm sharing you my screen. I'll check with it. I'm getting the same error or not. You only run the first job. I'll check it. I'm only trying to build the only first one, not just showing the complete. Just check with MVN is just trying to get installed.
No, no. So I just noticed one thing is when I logged in as a root, that time only it is allowing me to check the MVN version.
Which one? I didn't get you.
No, no. If you see my screen,
Okay.
when
No,
I
actually,
logged in as a root,
okay.
receive for Jenkins by
This is
root.
like this is working from me. MVN install is just getting. The building is getting. Just show me yours. Like you're telling me something. I just stopping my screen.
Okay, okay. You can see mine. So I could issue the command MVN version
Hmm.
via root only, not with my local account,
Okay.
my normal account. But brother Jenkins is
We're
uses
not able to
the
see your screen, Uday. Sorry.
one second maybe. Okay, okay. Unshare. Okay, stop sharing. It's telling stop sharing, but I'm not able to stop share anything.
Okay. The only thing is, I was like, I shared it right screen. I'll just do one thing. I'll again try to share my screen. I'm stopping my screen now. See, this Docker is getting built. Okay. You need to get the same way.
Okay.
Now stop the screen. Just try to check. You able to do that? You're
No,
still
I'm
not.
not able to. It is still saying like it is still telling stop sharing your screen.
Okay, then just. Okay, tell me what is the issue?
No, no. What I'm telling is
Hmm?
when I when I log into Unix,
Okay.
I could issue the MVN version command
Hmm?
via root.
Okay.
So the Jenkins uses the root account or it uses the separate account. So is it related to the
You are not
Jenkins
in a
issue
root.
or I'm in a root only?
Okay. If you are in a root, it has to show, right? It is also showing you the MVN command also.
Yes.
Hmm.
When I'm in root only, it is working. If I'm a normal user, I'm not able to
Okay,
issue the
if you are
command. Is it
if you
that
are
issue?
created as a user, it will not work. You need to look at as a like you need to work on a root, like because you have created from an administration side, right?
Okay. Okay. Let me check that one later. Okay. So what I will do, like I will test it and I will let you know
Yeah, yeah, sure.
if I have any issues.
Yeah. Okay. If you're getting failure also, don't worry. Just try googling it and just
Okay.
try working it. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, yeah, same from me also. Let me check from my side and I'll
Yeah,
WhatsApp you.
sure. Because you need to check in your Mac.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
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 For me also it is same. So we'll check both. I'll
Okay.
let you
Okay.
know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure,
Thank
bro.
you,
Thank you for your
Praveen.
time.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, guys.